People who carry in parts, we're not even going to call this customer or customers. This is the Nissan NV above my head that I'm working on. When you carry in a part to a 10-piece puzzle and you only have one piece, so I'm going to give you an example. We just had a guy who speaks basically no English show me a set of AutoZone or advanced brake pads, which we don't install here, as you see from all my videos. We don't use their products. And he wants us to put them on, and we're like, no, we're not going to do that. And then he was asking Rachel, and as much as they can communicate, why not let me speak to the owner? And she was like, yeah, well, you're talking to me, and you don't need to speak to the owner because he's going to tell you the same thing. We're not just going to install your brake pads. There's more than just coming to a professional environment or shop and then you bringing one piece to the puzzle to try and get your car fixed. And it's usually, this is the spectrum that we see here. Someone's worked on it and it's completely effed up with all Amazon, eBay, and Temu parts, and it's never going to be right, and we have to start over. Or the guy who they say is a mechanic worked on it and has no clue what he's doing. Or the customer now gets involved and brings one piece of the puzzle to try and get it fixed, and he doesn't know if the caliper slides are bad, the caliper seized. All he wants in his mind is brake pads, because if he thought there was anything else wrong, anything more to the job, he would have bought more parts. So that we have the bare bones minimum puzzle piece person, and then we have the person who buys every part under the sun and typically has no clue what it's going to take to fix their car, but they have every part, and it's from the cheapest manufacturer, or Temu or eBay or Amazon or some crap like that. We just don't do business here like that. My policy is we don't use customer carried in parts, and as soon as the customer gets involved in a job, it's usually a bigger problem. And this is because it's a product of my environment. Based on my experiences, it's nothing but a headache, so that's why we don't install customer parts. If it's some specialty exhaust part that I can't get, I may consider it, but whatever you can get for exhaust, I can get. So I don't bring my eggs to the diner. That's the old adage in our business. I don't bring my eggs to the diner. I don't bring my steak to the diner and ask for you to cook it. Why people feel that they can do that to HVAC guys, plumbers, electricians, it's just not right. Neighbors' dogs are screaming out there. But anyway, yeah, you can't bring one piece to the puzzle and expect to get it fixed. And carrying in your own parts here is just a no-go. Thanks for watching.